Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of June the 18th through the 24th, 2021. I do shop at Giant, but a lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's. We have the same deals, but not always, so make sure you're checking your own ads, prices in store. My breakdown is in the description box below, as well as a video on how to get the 5-point freebie. So this week, the 5-point freebie is the Rowdy energy drink. As you can see, I do not have it. I cannot find it in store. It doesn't even say, it says it's in stock, but it doesn't say where to find it in my app, and it usually does. I cannot find it. I've looked in the organic section. I've looked by the registers. I've looked in with the juices, the energy drinks, the sodas. I cannot find it. So if anyone has found it, please comment below. If it's, maybe it's in a different area. I don't even know. But anyway, it's a freebie with 5 points. And then I bought it giving back $2.99, I think. So it's going to be a moneymaker if you can find it. And I also want to let you guys know, next week is my anniversary, me and my husband. We have a bunch of fun plans, so I don't think I'm going to make it to Giant until maybe Saturday evening, possibly Sunday. It just depends on what all we got going on. So just so you're aware of that, the haul will definitely be later than normal. Let's go ahead and get into the deals. Okay, so the Nature's Own is on sale again, 2 for $5. I did post this deal on my Instagram. I think I posted it on Sunday. You can follow me over there if you want. Mama_made_couponer. So they're on sale again for 2 for $5. I had $1.50 off of 2 digital coupon. And then I also got back $3.69 off of 2 from Ibotta. So it was a 19-cent moneymaker. And I did that $3.69 rebate on Sunday, and it did reset for me. This Buddig, I guess that's how you say it, lunch meat is $5. There's a dollar rebate on Ibotta, so it makes it only $4. That is a decent price for this huge package. I'll probably use what I can when I open it, and then probably freeze the rest. I had something else to say, and I just thought of it, and I can't remember, so hopefully I think of it again. All right, let's go over here and talk about this deal. So this is also part of the buy 6. Oh, I remember what it was. So I posted on my Instagram, it's a all set in a box. It's $15. We got a $5 off digital coupon. But my store was not ready for that in the morning. We went in the morning this morning and they had nothing ready. Not even available, like all the sides and things. And it says on the sign 3 to 7, I think it said. So I may grab that on Sunday if I go back to Giant. So just be aware of that. If you go in the mornings like I do, they may not even have anything available. So I wanted to test that digital coupon out for you guys, but I'm not going to be heading there again until Sunday late afternoon. So I'll do an update video on that if I end up grabbing one of those. If anyone wants to let us know if your digital coupon worked for you, feel free to comment below and let us know what you grabbed and if you liked it. Okay, so the buy 6, get back 500 points. It does say you have to spend $25 in order to get that back. So just so you're aware of that, that is their standard policy. So it's buy 6. So I went ahead. The cheapest thing to do would be to buy 6 items at $2 a piece. I turned my 500 points into grocery dollars, so it'd be $5. I have a smaller vehicle, and it would not take 25 gallons, which I think it would be cheaper if you have a larger vehicle and you totally maximize those savings. But that's just not a possibility for me. So I'm only going to deduct $5 from that price. So it would be $7 or $1.16 a piece. I think the Ajax was also included. So that's another item at the $2. But anyway, the Hungry Jack syrup is $2.50. But this is an okay deal for me because I actually needed some syrup in my stockpile. So I paid $8 after getting the 500 points back, or $1.33 a piece. I'm okay with that. That's a pretty decent price, and that's going to be a super cheap meal for us. The goldfish were just 99 cents with the in-app coupon. It was a limit of 1. Now this deal was actually better than I had even expected it to be. So the Nature Valley and the Fiber One and also the General Mills treat bars, they're $2.50 on sale, which I didn't know they were going to be on sale. They didn't advertise that. I thought it was going to be shelf price of $3.29 it is in my store. However, on sale for $2.50 a piece, this makes for a pretty sweet deal. Buy $4, save $6 instantly. Be aware that not all Fiber One and not all Nature Valley are tagged at that price. So just make sure you're checking the tags. I think cereals also included. I saw those tagged, but I didn't need any at that price. So the fiber one ends up bringing up for $4 for all 4 boxes, or only $1 a piece. If you like fiber one, that is a really good price on those bars because we don't see them get super cheap a whole lot. The Nature Valley, I was holding on to my digital coupons. I wasn't actually planning on doing this, but anyway, sorry, my son's over there making some ruckus. We had some digital coupons, $1 off 2. I had $1.25 off of 2, as well as $1 off of 2. I think I had a 50 cent off 1 coupon, but that didn't work. So I'm not sure if it's because it got these minis or what the problem was. But anyway, I'm still pretty impressed with the price point here. My total after the instant savings was only 75 cents or 19 cents a piece. Really good deal. Now also we have coupons.com on the app. There's a tracking deal, spend $25, get back $5. It does know that you use coupons on that, so it's not going to give me much credit, I don't think. But anyway, I don't know if it'll see the instant savings or not. And another thing, guys, I wasn't thinking when I did this, but I did this all in one big transaction. And then I realized as I was getting ready to pay, I hope my instant savings comes off twice. And I looked and it did come off twice for me. So you can do them all together. If you want to get 8 boxes, you'll get $12 off instant savings. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.